Well, we have told you about the allegations against the Gandhis as being cited by the probe agencies in the National Herald case. We have now brought forth intricate details regarding loans, alleged bid to take over AGL assets through fraudulent means, bogus donations and rent. And now for the first time, the victims of the alleged fraud are now speaking up, giving a first-hand account of how the alleged land transfers took place in a blatant violation of rules while the Gandhis turned a blind eye. Times Now spoke to an AGL insider, a former employee of the Gandhis who has linked the firm, has now spilled the beans. Mohammad Saeed comes out to say, who used to work at an AGL property in Bhopal, claiming that the land was illegally handed over to a private firm named Ganga Enterprises back in 2001, and as many as 80 employees, including him, were suddenly thrown out without their salaries being paid. He has claimed that he met Rahul Gandhi and apprised him about the situation and the alleged wrongdoing, but he allegedly chose to ignore it. Saeed also presented certain documents to show how AGL land was gifted away to a private firm, allegedly in violation of rules, where he claims that big shopping malls and showrooms came up on this land afterwards. The question is, did Rahul Gandhi know about the alleged graft but chose rather to ignore it? Here's what he had to say.
एसोसिएट जनरल लिमिटेड ने ये जमीन एचएस बग्गा के हैंडओवर की थी, जिसकी अनुमति नहीं है। प्रेस के लिए दी गई जमीन बेचने की या हैंडओवर करने की अनुमति नहीं है, इसके बावजूद दी गई।
इसका क्योंकि अर्जुन सिंह जी ने प्रेस कॉम्प्लेक्स में ये 30 लीज पे दी गई थी। सारे प्रेसों को अखबार की जमीन दी गई, ना तो ये बेच सकते थे और इन्हें कोई अधिकार नहीं था। उसके बाद हमने फिर इसका जो रिन्यूअल था, हमने लेटर लगाया कि हमारा पेमेंट नहीं आया है तो इसको जमीन को रिन्यूअल नहीं करा जाए। लिहाजा यह कि हेड ऑफिस से लेटर आया कि इसको क्लोज कर दिया जाए। अच्छा। तो बीएन झा जो उनके पर्सनल मैनेजर थे, बीएन झा ने यहाँ पे आके वर्करों से एग्रीमेंट करा कि सबका हिसाब करा उन्होंने। जो 6 साल भर की तनख्वाह थी, उसको उन्होंने पेमेंट करा। उसके बाद में बचावत एरियस और ग्रेजुएटी और पीएफ अदर पेमेंट जो है हम उसको 6 मंथ के अंदर अदा कर देंगे हम। अच्छा।
10 नवंबर 1992 का लेटर है, जिसमें 6 महीने की, देखिए 6 महीने की एक मियाद दी हुई है, 6 मंथ्स की इनका पैसा इन्हें अदा कर दिया जाएगा, लेकिन पैसा अदा नहीं किए है।
गांधी परिवार ने अनदेखी करी है। गांधी परिवार को तो यही नहीं बताया कि है क्या, अनदेखी करी है बिल्कुल। वो तो हमने जब उन्हें ये इतनी मोटी मोटी फाइलें भेजी हैं, राहुल गांधी को अभी पदयात्रा में हमने फाइल दी थी, उन्होंने उठा के वो कौन है, हरी सिंह जी कौन है, उनको दे दी, उन्होंने कार्रवाई होगी।
The Congress, meanwhile, has decided to hit the streets across the nation once again as a day after holding demonstrations in states like Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Sikkim, Kerala, Telangana, Rajasthan, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh and others. The party has now announced that protests will continue in Maharashtra, Haryana and in Lakshadweep today and tomorrow as well. Speaking of Telangana, the Congress-ruled state is also expected to hold protests. Congress and its allies that have been alleging that there is no case against the Gandhis and the ED is being misused by the BJP to silence the opposition.
Big tamasha of BJP, clear political vendetta. Everybody know that this case is completely a false case. Nothing is there in there. Therefore, they want to take revenge on their political enemies. They are misusing the agencies to target the opposition. This is what happening. Entire Congress party and people of India will stand by Sonia Gandhi ji and Rahul Gandhi ji.
वो केस में कुछ नहीं है, वो तो पेपर का केस है। जब उसकी मासी हालत कम हो गई, तब उन्होंने थोड़े दिन बंद किए। फिर उसको चालू करने के लिए सोनिया गांधी जी ने पूरी कोशिश की, उसको डोनेशन ये और कर्जा लेके वो पेपर चलाए। लेकिन अब जो कर्जा लिए तुम वो गलत है, इनका कहना है। नेशन वाइड हमारा प्रोटेस्ट रहेगा। लोगों को यही बताना चाहते हैं हम, अननेसेसरीली ये सता रहे हैं।
However, as far as the BJP here in the case is now concerned, that has been calling it as payback time.
कांग्रेस पार्टी देश भर में तथाकथित प्रदर्शन कर रही है। नेशनल हेराल्ड केस भारत के इतिहास का बहुत विचित्र प्रकार का केस है, जिसमें कि कोई कंपनी जो कि 90 करोड़ की देनदारी में बिक गई, जिसके पास हजारों करोड़ की प्रॉपर्टी थी। दूसरी दृष्टि से देखें तो एक विचित्र केस है जिसमें खरीदने वाले और बेचने वाले दोनों एक ही थे। तो सवाल उठता है कि क्या कांग्रेस अपने 50 साल के शासनकाल में अपनी विरासत को बचा नहीं पाई, या वो जनता में इतनी अनपॉपुलर हो गई थी वो विरासत कि कोई उसका खरीदार नहीं था। ये अपने आप में कांग्रेस पार्टी की नीयत पर सवाल पैदा करता है।
वो चीज 4 साल से चल रही है जिसमें आप संतोषजनक जवाब नहीं दे पाए। जहां कानून अपना काम कर रहा है वहां पर कर रहे हैं वेंडेटा वेंडेटा। द लॉ इज टेकिंग इट्स ओन कोर्स। हम बीजेपी की ओर से सोनिया गांधी और राहुल गांधी और कांग्रेस पार्टी से सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं, क्या कानून को अपना काम नहीं करना चाहिए? श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी एंड राहुल गांधी जी काइंडली रिप्लाई। तो फिर ये धरना वेंडेटा, नरेंद्र मोदी जी की सरकार है, कानून को अपना काम करने देगी। और
Well, Shweta connected with us. Shweta, good morning. As far as when it comes to the BJP here is concerned, it's been asserting that no one has the license to loot and dismissing Congress's charge of political vendetta after ED charge-sheeted Sonia and Rahul Gandhi in the National Herald case. However, Congress continues with its plan of protest.
Well, a very good morning to you. That's right. In fact, as far as Congress is concerned, we have seen there was a nationwide protest outside the central agencies, outside the Enforcement Directorate office. Now, Congress is calling it as a political vendetta. They have also stated that this is the, misuse of the central agencies, and this is only to harass our senior leaders in the hierarchy. That's Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi and several other Congress leaders as well. Now, just a short while back, we have also heard from Mr. Kharge. He is saying this is unnecessary investigation that is being put on the alleged National Herald case. But here, as per the ED, when they were charge-sheeting Gandhis, it was clearly mentioned that there was the money laundering of 988 crores, and now the investigation is spanning. Between this, we are also understanding that how, when it comes to BJP, they have been calling it as this is an independent investigation, and this was a pending case, long back case, a kind of peculiar case that has happened in India. Now this is the time when whatever the looting was done, this is the time to pay back. Meanwhile, we have seen the kind of aggression what Congress and its leaders have been showing, calling it as just a vendetta against their senior leaders in the party. They have also carried out the nationwide protest, and today also in some of the states, which includes Maharashtra, Haryana and so on, it is likely in fact that there would be the protests
in particular where the Congress party is ruling. We are looking at another round of protest that is expected to take place against when it comes to the ED action. Shweta, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in.